Most famous freelancing platforms from different countries: UAE, Ureed, Japan, Coconala, New Zealand, Builders Crack, USA Skillshare, India, Truelancer, USA Dribble, Australia Freelancer, USA Guru, Canada Ask for Task, Israel Fiverr, USA TopTal, UK People Per Hour, USA TaskRabbit, USA Upwork, Australia 99 Designs.